Lausunga awaliti arona, taitai o sauniga. Lauafionga leota Charles Lutu, taitai fono mare mamalu le komiti whaatonu o le asosi alwaa o Samoa. Sunga i le whaatamama whaatina o le asosi alwaa le Seagles le malu i Nesas, ma Yawa Colin McCarthy, ma Tauwanga Farani. Lauafionga awalitia le ata mailo, Presidente o le asosi alwaa Seagles ma le laulau afonu. Lausunga Marina Kyle, sui o komiti whaatonu o le Suoma. Le ofisa Silio Poulenga o le Cessna, tuala Matthew Vai. Le nofua Presidente Masui Awai Uma, o kalapu alwaa ese whapele mamalu o Samoa ua awhia potupotu. Ma lor folau ilangi mai le nei aso ringalua. E whapopo ni aso ua, ai wale te ua aso al folanga. Ai waloloma nei le taisua, ai o le tai o alo, ua tawhito la ua, ma ua lafo fo'i la ua e pei o le whetalainga i le ngatai whale. A wā o lea ua sau le waa na tiu, o lo tau le waa na tau ma o lo mau fo'i lango le waa na whaoa folau. Ua whaifo fo'i le fui le ngaa, ua langa nei la au na tatanu i pue, ua maali e toa, ua maali e tau. Ia mapua na ia ni a whane malafo le taulai malolo. Ai o te avere nei awa noa ta ua e memori atu ai le whaftai tele. Lau sunga awari tia arona. Mo le sauniga te talo a mata, ma le whaamanuia. Ua o le nei whaamoe moe ua tātou mafutai. Mātou te talitonu ua whaafafonga le langi i le talosanga maulia e peion sa ave ai oe mo tātou o staulanga. Le momoli la au i fonga e sufi le anga le nei o le tapa usili. Mo le nei whaamoe moe. O la mātou te talo, whaamanuia le atua i le wala awina, maua so fina ngalo. A wā whaiwa matiu te ua te tofi ai o e maise, o le tofinga Presidente, la o tau kalapu al wa. O te momoli atu foi le nganga whaftai tele, mo le amana ia. Ma le wala awina o au, o le Minisita o tātou mtanga luenga o Ta'aloga maranga oa mo le fia o tangata. O te talo alu ia aile nei whaamoe moe. Ai o te manatu, o na o loo filo ngia le tātou maftanga. O le ātau mawhai atu ai i le ngangana whaperetania. Lau sunga awali tia arona of the Bahai Faith. Dr. Charles Lutu, Chairman of the Sāmoa Outrigger Canoe Association and the Executive Committee of SOCA. Seagles patrons, the Maluninet says, Mayawa Colin McCarthy and Tauwanga Farani. Seagles presidents, Awali Tia Leata, Executive Committee and members of the Seagles Outrigger Canoe Club. Board member of Samoa Waste Recycling Management Association Board, Suoma, Marina Carl, CEO of Sasnock, Tuala Matthew Vaya, as team presidents of paddling clubs and members of the paddling community, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Ta'alofa and warm Pacific greetings. Before we begin this special occasion, I would like to extend my gratitude to Awali Tia Arona for graciously delivering the opening prayer and blessings of the canoe. Your presence and spiritual guidance set the tone for the meaningful event, reminding us of the deep cultural and spiritual connection that underpin our gathering today. Thank you for leading us in this important tradition. It is a pleasure and a privilege to join you all for this special occasion. The blessings of the Seagles Outrigger Canoe Club Samoa. Today, gathering is more than a ceremonial event. It is a celebration of perseverance, culture, and the shared spirit that binds our paddling community together. Outrigger canoes is not just a sport, it's a living expression of our Samoan heritage for generations. Our ancestors mastered the ocean, navigating the distance with courage, knowledge, and an unbreakable connection to the sea. Canoeing carries the legacy forward. It teaches our people to move with purposes, to work in unity, and to respect the environment that sustains us. What makes the sport truly special in its inclusivity, paddling is for everyone, from our energetic juniors to our experienced masters. It brings together communities, families, and people of all backgrounds. Whether you are new to the sport or a seasoned competitor, there is a place for you in Ava. I acknowledge the hard work and dedication of the Seagles Club and all paddling clubs across Samoa. Your collective effort ensures the survival of this vital sport. I also recognize the challenges many of you face, particularly around access to equipment, resources, and facilities. The Ministry of Sport and Recreation plays a pivotal role in elevating all sports and recreation activities in Samoa. Our mission is to drive sporting and recreational activities to lift the standards of our athletes as well as the well-being of our people. The blessings of the canoe resonate deeply with the goals and objectives of the government of Samoa through the Ministry of Sports and Recreation. It symbolizes our commitment to nurturing talent, fostering unity, and promoting a healthy lifestyle for all Samoans. I want to ensure that the Ministry of Sports and Recreation is committed to supporting the growth and sustainability of paddling in Samoa. I also commend the work of the Samoan Outrigger Canoe Association, SOCA, for your tireless leadership. Despite obstacles, you continue to hold the torch for this important sport, and the government is here to work alongside you. Together with SESNOC and our sports partner, we will work towards strengthening our support systems so that paddling continues to thrive, not only as sport, but as a pathway to unity, wellness, and cultural pride. Let us paddle toward us, one people, honoring our past while charting a course for the future. May God bless you all. Soifua mai manuia.